Hello, hi, I'm at your unit right now. So here is a video progress on the works for your carpentry installation for your unit. So you can see here when you enter the front door, this is your foyer shoe cabinet DB box concealment, and so you can see here the open niche for your daily ones slipper shoes lah. Okay, so you can see bottom here, the angled panel you don't really see from here. See, the moment you stand up you don't really see it, but there is still a support there. Okay, just take note lah, when you put the slipper time don't kick your feet onto this. Alright, so here there will be a socket here, the switch for your lights. Okay, they haven't opened out the hole yet. Also, what is missing here is the doors lah. The doors haven't installed yet also, and also all your internal shelves, the AA check shelves. Okay, for this side, this is your bomb shelter concealment, the wall paneling. Laminate haven't stick out yet, but you can see this is the laminate here lah. Okay, this is the round corner. You can see here, very nice lah. Matches the curve of the light cove. I can see the light cove here got some dings here and there. Don't worry on this. The painters, when they come down for the second coat, they will be able to touch up all this one. Most likely they hit onto it lah when installing. Alright, then next it will be your TV console. You can see here TV console, they shifted slightly the wirings here and there. There's like some holes. This one also no risk. They'll be able to patch it up one. Okay, you can see from the here got a lot of things so I cannot really take, but this is the outlook lah, all look. The laminate I think matches quite very well actually with the wall paint. Yeah, actually looks very nice. Okay, so you can see here this from the other angle. Alright, there will be a cover here also, a cover here for all your wirings to run through, then after cover up. And then for your kitchen, this is your island. Today our countertop team will be coming down to measure the countertop. Okay, so you can see this, most of it is also installed already. Just left some doors here and there. Alright, this is the curved part for your curved doors with your maybe you want to put your drinks, your wines, everything can put here. And then below, this is the recess. Okay, there's a recess here, and then there's a recess here for you all to sit down, maybe to have your breakfast or what. Okay, then the kitchen. Okay, kitchen here, once the countertop is installed, then we will measure the glass. Okay, here's a fixed glass panel, and then your sliding door. Okay, your sliding door will be here. Then this is your fridge area. Some doors I haven't installed yet, but I can see all the wirings all pulled out already for your respective items, your oven, the master switch for your oven, and then all these are the already wirings, hood hob. Below is your hob, on top is hood, and then all the master switches and also the sockets all here. Okay, then this one is your dish rack. Alright, dish rack. Then sink is here already. Later when they are measuring the countertop, they will have the sink in here first before they can fully measure the correct size. Okay, and then the laminate I think also very nice. This green turns out to be very nice. This is your sauce rack lah. Okay, the carpentry sauce rack. Haven't installed the drawer face yet, but this is how it looks. Okay, so you can put all your sauces here and here. Alright. Okay, and then the drawers here also haven't installed the drawer first yet. Alright, then this one is the door. You can see here, open up, it goes through lah, so you can access that corner there. If not lah, sometimes if you only open one side maybe the things at the back very hard to access. Okay, and then moving on to your bedrooms. Okay, your bedrooms, this is your common bedroom 2, bedroom 2, doors also haven't installed yet. Alright, and then the other side is your master bedroom wardrobe. You can see here, this side is the fake door. This is how it look, the overall design. Okay, this one also will have a door, haven't installed yet. So you can see here the front door, the switch they will have opening like that one. After the switch installed already, will cover up this hole. Okay, then inside here, this is your wardrobe. Okay, the L-shaped part. Then your open niche here also for your side table. Okay, then your bathroom, your master bathroom. This is the whole I would say the carpentry. Then the existing master toilet sink will be installed directly on it, no? And they definitely will have doors also lah. Okay, can. So tomorrow when you are here, just take note, you can see here now currently quite messy, quite dirty, a lot of debris all around. The shoes you all wear, don't wear those very thin flip flops. Okay, thin flip flops are your later risk stepping on the nail or something. Okay, can. Thank you.